Have you ever pondered what the future of software engineering might look like? A question that prompts curiosity, a question that invites us to look beyond the present, and a question that encourages us to imagine the endless possibilities of tomorrow. Let's take a moment to understand the current state of software engineering. It's a field that's been constantly evolving since the dawn of the computer age. Today, it's a complex labyrinth of codes, algorithms, and systems, with software engineers navigating through this maze, solving problems, and creating innovative solutions. They are the architects of our digital world, building the apps and platforms that have become integral parts of our everyday lives. However, like any other field, software engineering has its fair share of challenges. For one, the demand for new software and updates is relentless, putting immense pressure on engineers to constantly innovate and deliver. Then there's the issue of complexity. As software systems become more intricate, debugging and maintaining these systems can be a daunting task. And let's not forget about the ever-present issue of security, with cyber threats becoming more sophisticated every day. But what if we could alleviate these challenges? What if we could transform the way software engineering is done? What if we could bring in a new player into the game? A player that could potentially revolutionize the field. Yes, we're talking about artificial intelligence. Imagine an AI that could take the lead in software engineering. An AI that could create, debug, and maintain software systems. An AI that could keep up with the relentless pace of demand, handle the complexity of systems, and strengthen security measures. The future might be closer than you think, and it has a name: DEVIN AI. This isn't just a flight of fancy, it's a glimpse into a future where AI and software engineering converge, creating a new paradigm in technology. A future where DEVIN AI, the world's first AI software engineer, takes the helm. So buckle up, because the future of software engineering is about to get a whole lot more exciting. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the world of DEVIN AI. Before we dive into the future, let's understand the present, the world of traditional software engineering. Traditional software engineering is the bedrock of our digital world. It's a meticulous process, a blend of art and science that involves several stages. It all starts with the conceptualization of an idea, followed by requirements analysis, where the needs and constraints of the software are determined. Then we move on to system design, where the architecture of the software is planned. This is followed by implementation and testing, where the actual coding happens and the software is rigorously tested for any bugs or errors. The final stages include deployment and maintenance, ensuring the software runs smoothly and is updated to meet evolving needs. Now, this process has its benefits. It's systematic and methodical, which ensures a high degree of reliability and quality. It allows for a structured approach to problem solving, and its iterative nature helps in catching and rectifying errors early on. But it's not all smooth sailing. Traditional software engineering has its share of challenges. For one, it's time-consuming, often taking months or even years to develop a piece of software. It's also resource-intensive, requiring a team of skilled engineers. The process is often riddled with delays due to unforeseen complexities and changing requirements. And let's not forget, the more complex the software, the higher the chances of bugs slipping through the cracks. Moreover, in an ever-changing tech landscape, keeping up with new technologies, programming languages, and methodologies can be a daunting task. The pace of innovation is relentless, and traditional software engineering sometimes struggles to keep up. It's also worth noting that the demand for software is growing exponentially, far outstripping the supply of skilled software engineers. This has led to a software talent crunch, making it increasingly difficult for organizations to develop and maintain their software systems. While traditional software engineering has served us well, it's clear that it faces challenges that need a futuristic solution. Enter DEVIN AI, the world's first AI software engineer. Imagine a world where tedious coding tasks are handled effortlessly, where software engineering is no longer about laborious typing, but about creative problem solving. Well, that world is here, and it's all thanks to DEVIN AI. DEVIN AI is an artificial intelligence system, a brainchild of some of the brightest minds in the tech industry. Born from a need to streamline and simplify software development, DEVIN AI is the perfect blend of cutting-edge technology and practical application. It's been trained on countless lines of code, learning from the best software engineers in the world. Its purpose? To revolutionize the field of software engineering. Now you might be wondering, how can an AI be a software engineer? Well, it's simpler than you'd think. DEVIN AI isn't just a tool, it's a team member. It's designed to understand coding problems, come up with solutions, and implement them, just like a human engineer would. It can tackle everything from finding and fixing bugs to creating entirely new software from scratch. And the best part? It never gets tired, never needs a coffee break, and is always ready to code. But DEVIN AI isn't just about doing the work of a software engineer. Its true value lies in its ability to elevate the whole field of software engineering. By taking on the repetitive tasks, DEVIN AI frees up human engineers to focus on what they do best, innovating, creating, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. DEVIN AI is more than just a time saver, though. It's a learning tool and innovation engine, a new way of approaching software engineering. It offers a chance to rethink how we develop software, to make the process more efficient, more creative, and more fun. In short, DEVIN AI is a game changer. It's a new kind of software engineer, one that brings together the best of human creativity and artificial intelligence. It's a tool that opens up new possibilities, new ways of working, and a whole new future for software engineering. So, DEVIN AI is not just a software engineer, it's a glimpse into the future. Now that we know what DEVIN AI is, the question arises, how does it work? Dive into the world of artificial intelligence and machine learning, and we find the heart of DEVIN AI. It's a software engineer, yes, but not just any software engineer. It's an engineer grounded in the most advanced technologies of our time. So, let's break it down a bit. At its core, DEVIN AI uses machine learning algorithms. These algorithms learn from vast amounts of data, identifying patterns and making predictions based on that data. They're the reason DEVIN AI can take a set of requirements and turn them into functional code. But it's not just about taking orders and following them. DEVIN AI has the ability to understand the context of the requirements, thanks to its natural language processing capabilities. This technology allows it to comprehend human language in a way that goes beyond simple command and response. It understands nuances, making it possible for non-technical individuals to interact with it effectively. Yet the magic doesn't stop there. DEVIN AI also employs advanced artificial intelligence techniques to optimize the code it generates. It's not just about creating code that works, it's about creating code that works efficiently and effectively. It finds the best solutions, taking into consideration factors like execution speed, memory usage, and even the maintainability of the code. How does this differ from traditional software engineering? Well, in traditional software engineering, human engineers have to manually write, test, and debug code. They have to spend hours understanding requirements, thinking of solutions, and then implementing those solutions. With DEVIN AI, a lot of these manual tasks are automated. It takes care of the heavy lifting, freeing up human engineers to focus on more strategic and creative tasks. In essence, DEVIN AI is a blend of advanced technologies that come together to create a new era in software engineering. It's a game changer, a disruptor. It's the future of software development, and it's here now. So, are you ready to embrace the future? Because it's not just coming, it's already here. In essence, DEVIN AI is a blend of advanced technologies that come together to create a new era in software engineering. With DEVIN AI, we're not just looking at a new tool, we're looking at a whole new reality in software engineering. Imagine a world where software engineering is no longer a laborious task, where the codes practically write themselves. That's the future we're envisioning with DEVIN AI. As we've seen in the previous scenes, DEVIN AI is built to understand, create, and modify software in a way that no other AI has done before. But what does that mean for the future of software engineering? Well, the possibilities are boundless. Think about the time and resources we could save. With DEVIN AI, developers could focus more on creative problem solving and strategic planning rather than getting bogged down with repetitive coding tasks. It could drastically reduce the time it takes to bring a software product to market, making businesses more competitive and efficient. And what about software accessibility? DEVIN AI could democratize software development, allowing even those with limited technical skills to create and modify software. That's a game changer, opening up new opportunities for innovation and entrepreneurship. But as with any technological advancement, there are challenges to consider. For instance, what happens to traditional software engineering jobs? Will DEVIN AI replace humans in this field? These are valid concerns. However, we believe that DEVIN AI is not a job killer, but a job transformer. It's about making software engineering more efficient, not making humans obsolete. We also need to ensure that DEVIN AI is used responsibly. As we've seen with other AI technologies, there's potential for misuse. That's why it's crucial to have robust ethical guidelines and regulations in place. We need to shape the future of software engineering in a way that benefits everyone. So yes, the future of software engineering is changing, and DEVIN AI is leading the charge. But it's not just about the technology, it's about how we adapt, how we innovate, and how we use this tool to create a better, more efficient world. The future of software engineering is here, and it's named DEVIN AI.